Good morning, everyone. This is Wilson from Rejay Networks Philippines. Pag-usapan natin ngayon yung ES2 series switches. Yung feature highlights niya. This is a CCTV smart switch. Why choose ES2 series switch? Number one, cloud manage. And it's free. When it comes to configuration, monitoring, troubleshooting, pwede mo siyang gawin sa cloud web. Pwede mo siyang gawin sa application. So SSO yan. Next is long distance transmission or ito yung tinatawag na extend mode. Pwede mong i-extend per port up to 250 meters using pure copper. Okay. So meron tayong scenario, meron tayong 4 na ports dito na PoE. First is 80 meters, CCTV1, CCTV2, 200 meters, AP1, 90 meters, AP2, 100 meters. So as you can see, meron ditong 200 meters na CCTV2 pero it won't affect yung other ports. So makikita natin yan dito sa screen ng video. How to configure it. First, punta ka lang sa CCTV switch. And punta ka dun sa config. And then click mo lang yung long distance transmission and then you can choose kung anong port ba yung ilo-long distance mo. And then makikita mo after mag-activate yung long distance, magda-downgrade yung port na yon into 10 Mbps. Pero yung other ports hindi apektado. That's how long distance transmission works kay DJ. Next is AI cable test. So kung meron mga problem yung kable, no need to go on-site, you can do it remotely. So using your application, so click mo lang yung port, specific port, and then click mo lang yung cable test. Okay? And then i-check niya kung may problema ba or may fault ba rin sa kable, bibigyan ka rin niya ng result. Yan. So just wait for few seconds of testing. So the cables are in good condition. So after checking, that's the AI cable test. Next is remote reboot. So you can start the switch remotely and per port yun, switch port remotely. I should say switch port remotely. And then, ito para to sa mga PoE. So let's watch yung video. So punta ka lang doon sa specific port na gusto mong reboot and then click mo lang yon and then marireboot na yung PoE power. Okay? Next is loop prevention. So no need to configure yung mga STP, RSTP kung hindi ka technically equipped to configure this. So if you're using unmanaged switch, possible kasi ma-encounter mo yung loop. Pero if you're using Relay switch and ES2 series, may automatic loop prevention na to. And then this is enabled by default. So paano ba siya i-configure? Pwede mo siyang gawin remotely as well using application. Open mo lang yung app and then click mo lang yung switch, config, and click mo lang yung long distance. Loop prevention. Okay. So by default, it's enabled. Next is camera recognition. Camera recognition, ma-identify niya yung brand, speed, at saka yung power ng camera mo. And you have visibility or mamamonitor mo yung camera. If you want a best result, i-integrate mo siya sa EG gateway natin. So let's watch yung video. Click mo lang yung clients. So yung camera, kita mo naman dyan. So makikita mo dyan sa camera yung brand, makikita mo rin kung online siya or status niya, IP address, MAC address, and vendor, and of course yung speed na makikita mo rin dyan sa mismong camera details. Next is interface speed limit. So kung kailangan mo ng makontrol yung per port ng switch mo, you can do using our ES2 series. Pwede mo siyang gawin sa application or pwede rin naman sa web. Pero for this example, it's on the application. So let's watch. So punta ka lang doon sa port and click mo lang kung anong speed ang gusto mong gawin. I-adjust. And then it will be updated. And then makikita mo dito yung port 2, yung in-adjust natin ng 100 Mbps. So yung ganyan, i-configure yung interface speed limit. Ano-ano ba yung mga models na supported ng features na pinakita natin? So meron tayong mga switches na 5 ports, 8 ports, 16, 24, and 26 ports. And then PoE and non-PoE switches. So, and next is meron din tayong bagong model na multi-gig switch, ES206MG-P at ES209MG-P. So yung mga downlinks nila or yung service ports, 2.5 Gbps. So design siya para sa mga Wi-Fi 7 natin. Okay. For your reference, para makaka-receive ka and updated ka sa kay RJ Products, you can join our Viber channel and you can subscribe or follow our YouTube channel and our Facebook page as well.